Looking for the best oil filters in 2026 to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently? In this video, we review the top 5 best oil filters that deliver outstanding filtration, durability, and engine protection for daily drivers and performance vehicles. From premium synthetic media filters to budget-friendly options, we cover the features, pros, and performance of each model. Watch till the end to find the perfect oil filter for your car. Improve engine life today. Number 5. The WmCorner oil filter replacement is a premium quality oil filter designed for various GM vehicles from 2011 to 2020, offering strong engine protection for drivers using synthetic or high-mileage motor oils. Known for its durability and advanced filtration performance, this WIX filter is built to handle everything from daily commuting to demanding driving conditions. One of the standout features of the WL10255 is its impressive 99% dirt trapping efficiency at 26 microns. Using advanced blended filter media, it captures harmful microscopic contaminants before they circulate through the engine. Cleaner oil means reduced engine wear, smoother performance, and improved long-term reliability. This filter is especially ideal for vehicles exposed to extreme driving conditions such as towing, stop-and-go traffic, long idle periods, and extended highway driving. WIX engineered the WL10255 to maintain excellent oil flow and filtration even under higher stress, making it a great option for both work vehicles and everyday drivers. Another important feature is the silicone anti-drainback valve, which helps prevent dry starts by ensuring oil remains available when the engine is started. This is critical because many engines experience their highest wear during startup, especially in colder conditions. The WL10255 is also designed for extended oil change intervals, with WIX claiming service life up to 15,000 miles when used with quality synthetic oil and proper maintenance schedules. That makes it a convenient option for drivers who prefer fewer oil changes without sacrificing protection. User reviews are very positive. One customer mentioned they purchased this filter for every oil change because of its quality and affordable price. Another reviewer highlighted that WIX filters are consistently rated among the best available and appreciated the reliable delivery and performance. Overall, the WIX WL10255 oil filter offers excellent filtration efficiency, durability, and long-lasting engine protection, making it a smart upgrade for compatible GM vehicles. Number 4. The WIX WL10010 oil filter replacement is a high-quality cartridge-style oil filter designed for select Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles from 2014 to 2019. Known for producing dependable filtration products, WIX built this filter specifically for modern engines using synthetic and high-mileage oils, making it an excellent choice for drivers who want strong long-term engine protection. One of the biggest highlights of the WL10010 is its impressive 99% dirt trapping efficiency at 26 microns. The advanced blended filter media is designed to capture microscopic contaminants before they can circulate through the engine and cause wear. This helps maintain cleaner oil, smoother engine operation, and better long-term reliability. The filter is also engineered for severe driving conditions, including towing, stop-and-go traffic, and dusty environments. Whether your vehicle is used for daily commuting or heavier-duty driving, the WL10010 is built to handle demanding conditions while maintaining consistent filtration performance. Another major advantage is the filter's extended service life. WIX states that it can meet or exceed OEM oil change intervals for up to 15,000 miles when paired with quality synthetic oil and proper maintenance practices. That makes it a strong option for drivers who prefer longer service intervals. Installation is simple thanks to the top-mounted cartridge design and precision-fit sealing components. Since only the filter element is replaced instead of the entire housing, the design is more efficient and environmentally friendly. User feedback is very positive. One customer praised the direct fitment excellent performance, and affordable price, while another highlighted how easy the installation process was. Overall, the WIXWL10010 oil filter delivers excellent filtration efficiency, durability, and convenience, making it a reliable upgrade for compatible Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. Number 3. The Motorcraft FL 500's engine oil filter is a genuine OEM replacement filter designed specifically for many Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles. As the factory-recommended filter for models like the Ford F-150, Explorer, Mustang, Expedition, Fusion, Edge, and several Lincoln and Mercury vehicles, this filter is built to deliver dependable engine protection and proper factory fitment. One of the biggest advantages of the FL 500S is its OEM design. Because it's engineered by Motorcraft specifically for Ford vehicles, installation is quick and straightforward with no compatibility concerns. It's designed to restore factory performance while ensuring proper oil flow and filtration exactly as intended by the manufacturer. The filter itself is built with durable steel construction and tested under extreme conditions for reliability. Motorcraft filters are designed to help screen out harmful contaminants and abrasives that can cause premature engine wear. This is especially important for modern engines that often run on longer oil change intervals and demand consistent oil filtration performance. Another benefit is the excellent value. Compared to some aftermarket performance filters, the FL 500S provides trusted OEM quality at a very reasonable price. Many vehicle owners prefer sticking with Motorcraft because they know the filter was specifically designed for their engine. User feedback is very positive overall. One customer praised it as the best filter available for their 2011 Ford Fusion, especially considering the affordable price point. Another buyer noted receiving the updated large flute version of the FL 500S, which still performed properly and fit as expected. Overall, the Motorcraft FL 500's oil filter is an excellent choice for Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury owners who want reliable OEM performance, easy installation, and dependable long-term engine protection without overspending on maintenance parts. Number 2. The K&N Premium Oil Filter HP 1008 is a performance-focused oil filter designed for drivers who want strong engine protection, high oil flow, and long service life. Compatible with a wide range of Infiniti, Mazda, Nissan, and Subaru vehicles, this filter is built to handle both everyday driving and high-performance conditions with confidence. One of the standout features of the HP 1008 is its high-flow design. K&N engineered this filter to maintain a consistent flow of oil throughout the engine, which is essential for reducing wear and improving long-term engine performance. Whether you use synthetic, conventional, or blended motor oils, this filter is designed to work effectively with all types. The filter uses pleated synthetic blend filtration media that helps capture harmful contaminants while still allowing strong oil circulation. K&N also claims up to 20,000 miles of engine protection, making it suitable for extended oil change intervals when paired with quality oil and proper maintenance. Durability is another major strength. The filter features a heavy-duty steel canister that is laboratory tested for burst strength and reliability under demanding conditions. One feature many drivers love is the built-in wrench-off nut, which makes removal much easier during oil changes, especially in tight engine bays. User feedback is mostly very positive. One customer praised the filter's excellent oil flow, strong build quality, and easy installation, calling it a noticeable upgrade over standard OEM filters. Another longtime user mentioned using K&N filters for decades because of their dependable performance, while also appreciating the convenient removal nut. Overall, the K&N HP 1008 Premium Oil Filter is a high-quality performance filter that offers excellent filtration, strong construction, and easy maintenance, making it a great choice for drivers who want extra confidence in their engine protection. Number 1. The Motorcraft FL2124S Engine Oil Filter is a genuine OEM replacement filter designed specifically for Ford Super Duty trucks equipped with the powerful 6.7L Power Stroke diesel engine. replacing the older FL 2051 and FL 2051S models. This updated filter is built to deliver reliable filtration, proper fitment, and long-lasting engine protection for heavy-duty work trucks. One of the biggest advantages of the FL 2124S is that it's a factory-recommended motorcraft filter, meaning it's engineered to meet Ford's exact specifications. It fits a wide range of Super Duty models, including the F250, F350, F450, F550, F600, F650, and F750 trucks from multiple model years. Because it's an OEM replacement part, installation is simple and hassle-free, with proper threading and sealing designed to match factory standards perfectly. The filter itself is constructed using quality materials like cellulose, polyester, silicone, and steel, helping it withstand demanding towing, hauling, and high-mileage use. Motorcraft filters are also tested under extreme conditions to help screen out harmful contaminants and abrasives that can damage engine components over time. Performance and durability are where this filter truly shines. Many diesel truck owners trust Motorcraft because it consistently provides dependable oil filtration for engines that work hard every day. One user mentioned that after over 100,000 miles of heavy use and towing, their truck still starts perfectly and uses no oil, proving how important quality oil and filters are for engine longevity. Another customer praised the FL 2124S for offering factory-level reliability and peace of mind without any fitment concerns. Overall, the Motorcraft FL 2124S oil filter is an excellent OEM choice for Ford Super Duty owners who want dependable filtration, easy installation, and long-term engine protection for their hard-working diesel trucks. Thanks for watching our top 5 best oil filters review in 2026. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect oil filter for better engine protection, smoother performance, and longer vehicle life. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive reviews, maintenance tips, and buying guides. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which oil filter you trust the most for your vehicle. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.